Hello, my name is Paul. I'm with Logix Workshops, where we focus on smart factory technologies, Industry 4.0, industrial automation, robotics, technical training, leadership development, and career development. We've changed our name from Logix Magazine to Logix Workshops. We're going to maintain the Logix Magazine. It's going to be our newsletter the name of our newsletter. What I wanted to do is let you in on the fact that I personally have opened up my own consulting business, and I've brought in my ability to deliver for clients from just industrial automation and robotics to smart factory technologies, Industry 4.0. And I really wanted to make sure that you knew that the commitment that I'm recommitting to Logix Workshops, to formerly known as Logix Magazine, to deliver to you the best resources to help you develop your career and take it to new heights. And I can most certainly do that. So I wanted to share with you a few things. One of them was, what is smart factory technologies? What are we talking about? So really, smart factory technologies is the evolution of the industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, from Industry 1.0 to 4.0. Right? And we'll talk about that in different videos moving forward. But currently, what I want you to focus on, there's three main areas, technologies to focus on in Industry 4.0 smart factory technologies. While there's tons of hardware, lots of different ways to think about it. But really what we want to think about when we think about the technologies that's most critical for us at the operations level is going to be the industrial Internet of Things, machine-to-machine communication, and big data. So I'm going to break a lot of these down over the next upcoming weeks because I really want you guys on this channel to be aware of what's coming, what's right around the corner. And it's not going to just be PLC programming. It's not just going to be robotics programming. You have to think bigger. You have to think in a much more larger perspective. And the reason is this technology is already here, and you are going to want to have the knowledge and the ability to pull this technology, integrate it into your facilities, even if it's not PLC programming. And that's the important part. And in addition to that, really want you guys to develop yourselves into being a higher level thinker, a project planner, somebody who understands their career, how to develop their career, right? The better you are at being you, the better you understand your career, your technical skills, the better you understand the industry and how you can apply technologies to a specific need for an employer or a customer or client, the more valuable you will be. And that's the important part. I think that automation, PLC programming isn't going anywhere. That's without a doubt. But you can rest assured that you are going to have to, for a variety of different reasons, learn to integrate new technologies. It will maybe introduced by your IT team, and maybe your CEO or your plant manager wants some new technology integrated, and you're the integrator. You're the person that's going to have to install this. You're the person that have to understand how this technology works. I'd like to be there to help guide you along, all right? And that's sort of what we want to get into. So a lot of what we want to talk about really breaks down to two pieces. There's a hardware, there's a software. So there is a lot of new hardware when we talk about the industrial Internet of Things, right? And I know that's confusing. It's a really weird name, I think, but there's new hardware. There's new ways to optimize our processes besides PLC programming that we're going to get into. And there's software, tons of new software out there. There's just so much to go into when it comes to software. But we'll get into that, as I mentioned, later. Really what we want to do is we want to optimize and integrate our equipment so that it can deliver real-time or as near as real-time data that can then be used by the decision makers to make better business decisions. If that sounds a little confusing to you, that tells me that this is the perfect channel for you. So I really want to encourage you to stick around, learn, engage, and grow and develop your career, because this Industry 4.0, this smart factory technologies is not going nowhere. I bet my career on it, okay? So I really want to encourage you to stick around, dig deep, ask questions, get engaged, and I'll be there to help you as we both journey through this process. So for me personally, I made a big decision to go out on my own as a consultant in the smart factory technologies field, and I will be able to give you an inside view of how this technology is getting applied in facilities all around the country, eventually all around the world, so that you will have an inside perspective. Maybe someday you could go out on your own, or you can begin to integrate these technologies into your facility and really grow your capability. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'd love to answer them. So until next time, this is Paul with Logix Workshops. All right, stay tight. Bye.